Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda CBR500R. This is the ABS model, twin cylinder, fuel injected, lightweight sport bike. Beautiful condition, only 2,900 miles, matte black with those awesome red highlights. Come on by. Make your CBR 500R dreams come true for just $69.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.